Welcome to Insuredbrandlifestyle. I'm Deuce.
I'm Sierra.
In this video, we're going to show you how to make kale, apple,
banana
green smoothie.
Green smoothie.
So for smoothies, it's a fast, basically like a fast food for real. You know what I'm saying? Fast food without the grease and everything. Quick meal. Like you know what I'm saying? You might be hungry or whatever, and you don't feel like cooking. Throw that stuff in real quick. Blend it up, drink it, and it's almost like an energy drink. Like when I be working overnight, I drink one and I instantly had energy.
Right, and it's also good for breakfast in the morning too. If you want to run and you running late, just throw that thing up in that blender, blend it right away.
And so in this video we're gonna show y'all how to prep it and and make it taste good.
Right, and it's less than 5 minutes, so you can't even beat that.
Okay, so we want to go do this.
Guys, so today we're going to be making our kale, apple, and banana smoothie today, also with coconut water. The coconut water has a hint of pineapple, which is going to give it a little bit more sweetness to it, but not really sweet. So let's get started. So we're going to pour 1 cup of coconut water into your blender cup. So that's about 8 ounces if you guys don't know. So we'll pour it up in here. We're going to put our kale. This is about a cup and a half maybe. Just want to toss it up in there. And what I like to do first is mix my kale and my liquid together. That way it's really blended good before you add your fruits in. Alright, stuff that joint up in there. So we're going to go ahead and get that blended up. Then we're going to add our fruits into it. Sometimes I just shake the kale and the liquid together. Alright. Go ahead and blend that down. Sometimes I like to stop it just to recheck and make sure the lid is really tight. Shake it up, make sure we get all the kale mixed in with the liquid. Blend it one more time. Alright, so we blended it up a little bit good, and then we're going to go ahead and open this back up. And we're going to toss our bananas, which is organic by the way. Organic is really better for you, healthy. So we're going to toss this in here, make a little mess here. And then also we're going to be using red apples. I mean, you don't have to use red apples, you can use green, either or is fine. Still tastes good. Alright, so we're going to blend this up again. Strong a little bit. Everything is nice and well blend. Look at the consistency, nice and thick. Let's blend it a little bit more. Alright guys, let's see how this turned out. Got my cup. Alright guys, so everything is well blended. Look at the thickness and the consistency of this drink. You don't want your drink to be really loose. See, it's really thick because the apple has the pulp. So let's see how it tastes. Just right. Good. So we made our kale, apple, and banana smoothie with the coconut water, with the pineapple. It's pretty good. So I just want to say to you guys, you know, subscribe, like our channel, give us information, give us some ideas of what you want to see on this channel. We hope that we again bring you lots of fun facts, information, and overall this is going to be a fun channel. Stay tuned.